So I am pleased to be able to say that ambulances have been refuelled overnight. I want people to be aware that our health service is working, it's functional. If you need care, please come for care. Please don't defer care. We want you to come. If you need an ambulance, call an ambulance. Our healthcare system is working. What we're concerned about is where this goes over the weekend and into next week. What we're concerned about is things that we hope don't happen. We're concerned, for example, that were this to continue, we would have difficulty, for example, in getting chemotherapy treatments delivered to hospitals. We are concerned that were this to continue, we would have difficulties with, for example, laundry services to support the running of acute hospitals. We're concerned that were this to continue, that we would have difficulty not for the ambulances themselves, but for the staff of the National Ambulance Service who need to get to the ambulances to be able to do that in their own private transportation. These are the types of concerns that we are worried may come into being in the early part of next week were this to continue. So again, I would ask everybody to please step down from this and to enable the normal transportation that we have become accustomed to, that we are accustomed to, and that people are entitled to around the country in the interests of patient safety.